So, if you've ever wanted something thick and heavy and substantial in your hand, then this is for you. This is Westman Atelier foundation, and that's big to me. So this is one of the best foundations out there. It offers medium coverage and a really flawless finish, but let me show you how to use it first. Now this is one of those few foundations that actually looks better with moisturizer and not primer. So a couple of pumps of moisturizer onto the back of your hand or your face and blend it in. I've got a little spot. Now the trick here with this product is to work fast. Once you've applied your moisturizer, don't let it sink in. Instead, start to stripe the foundation onto the skin and then blend. How you blend is entirely up to you, but I'm going to use my brush because it's the best in the business. And just blend it in. The extra slip from that moisturizer is what's going to give you this flawless finish. And it also prevents it from looking heavy. You see, look how flawless the skin looks. Now this is a medium coverage foundation, yet the skin looks flawless. It doesn't look heavy. It doesn't look like it's caked in anything because we use that moisturizer base. There you go. One of the best foundations available at the moment. Westman Atelier Stick Foundation. It's a winner.